Oh my gosh. So, yeah, I'm back like 1 second later. I did something really simple and it's working again. This is really weird. So what I did, in case any of you streamers encountered this problem when you're about to stream Roblox Studio, because I don't have that when I'm actually playing Roblox and streaming, but if Roblox Studio, so what did I do is I change around these tabs. So usually the first tab is the game tab where you're actually playing. So what I did is usually first here. So what I did is I put the scripts first, and then I closed Streamlabs and I opened it again with the script being before the game. So it actually found the whole thing. So now we're back to normal, although time has elapsed and I don't have much time left. But we will do a little bit of scripting. This is so unnatural for me. Well, now that it's worked, we can go back and put it again. That because now it feels natural again. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna know how much money we have, so before we have like that ugly money looking thingy here. So we have it here, so let's edit this. Our money is, it has to move a little. So let's go back and start a GUI. We changed it to the main GUI. So the top bar has our money, and we're gonna move that label of the amount a bit higher up. Yeah, that looks much better. Okay, but the right side needs a space. We can add a padding. Okay, there we go. We don't need to add a padding. Okay, so there we go. Now we know how much money we have. So I'm just wondering if I'm thinking about the format of this, whether or not, yeah, I think I'll do just that. So I'm gonna duplicate this, and this will just be the dollar sign. Well, this matter because we will not be changing it in the future. Okay, so the dollar sign, in our properties will only have the dollar sign. uh Text, the text will be only the dollar sign. Okay, and then we're gonna put it on this side over here. uh okay, well, we're gonna check in a bit, and then the amount here. Whoops. Amount here will have no dollar sign. Will somebody actually end up with that much money? Will not allow wrapping. So if we add more, if they have more money, I don't know if anybody ever reached that amount of money, but if they do have that amount of money, it's not going to go on another line. Okay, so let's fix that amount. Um, Okay, now we want the amount to be aligned to the right. So let's go check alignment. On the X is going to be on the right. Okay, so now, yeah, I really don't think anyone will ever reach that amount, but if they do, we're good. If they reach the millions. Okay, so yeah, so we're good right there. And it is, I thought I had text guild. Okay, there we go. So text guild, and put, can make it a little bigger. Well, it doesn't matter here because I wanted it more visible. Oh my gosh, I'm pressing on the workshop. I should lock these things. Okay, so let's go back to the amount. Um, oh man. Okay, I don't like people straining their eyes to see things, so we're probably gonna set a text size instead. We did say we don't want text wrapped. Yeah, actually, yeah, the text size actually looks way better than wrapping in our case. Maybe a little bigger is fine too. Okay, how much money do you think people would need? Well, we can always make this thing bigger to make more space instead of doing it this way. But I don't think people are gonna reach that much money. Okay, so we're gonna leave it at this for now. Now our dollar sign we know needs to become smaller. I'm wondering if I should put it out here. No, no, it looks too weird there. I wish I can zoom in, but sadly I cannot. Okay, our dollar sign. Oh my goodness, I'm pressing on the workspace. Okay, so our dollar sign more in there. Okay, maybe a little. Uh, Come on. Okay. And now for our amount. Let's put an amount that's more realistic in the for this game. Actually more realistic. So let's put um the maximum amount I think somebody will actually reach is actually there. And dollar sign, and that's actually thinking okay. Okay, so our dollar sign is good now. So it's perfect right there. And our money. So if they have less money, the dollar sign will always stay there on that location. And then, well, if you start with only 15 bucks, it's like right there. Okay, I like that. Maybe a little bit this way. Okay, so now, let's make sure that whatever amount we have, it's shown here. So we're gonna do that in player data, the UI. Okay, so just search for player data. We don't want that player data. Um, so when attributes changed, attributes. I'm trying to remember what's the name of the script for our data, but I clearly no. Oh man. Okay, so we're oh my gosh, I have a bad feeling while I was changing all this UI. Hi. I think I might have deleted the script while I was changing the UI and updating it um to look better. Oh my gosh. I am crying right now. Yeah, always if when you're deleting stuff, you can always make sure you expand it to see. But I think we lost our script and we might have to redo all of this. The script for putting our amounts. Um, First of all, let me see if we can filter by see all scripts. Oh my gosh, we need to find this. Okay, it wasn't starter GUI. Not here in screen GUI info. I am crying. I am crying. Oh my gosh. We gotta restart the script all over again because I was silly and deleted it. Uh, oh man. Yeah, I think it was update attributes. It had to do with attributes, what was in the name, and we have no script called attributes. Oh man. Oh no. Oh, but we have a good thing. We have an old version. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna just open an old version of the game so that okay, so place 3.3, where are you? Thank goodness. I'm gonna open the old version quickly so I can get the deleted script because this is gonna be really long if we have to go and rewrite this. Okay, so this is weird. 3.3, I'm not finding you. Strategy UI, strategy UI, info. Oh, okay, because it's called Stats Manager, so I think we might still have it here. Yeah, it wasn't started player scripts. Yeah, we're starting to have too many scripts. Can't find stuff now. Okay, so in started player script, here we go. So when our money has been updated, we want to update it to this location. So this location is in started GUI, main GUI, top bar, and then our money. So let's go do this here. So when money is changed, we have already changed the location, so we're changing it to it's now in the main GUI. Honestly, when it's time to be changed, these things would have already loaded. Player GUI dot main GUI dot top bar dot money, and then it's in amount and dot text. Okay, will be the amount of money that we have. We should format our money. Okay, so yeah, so now we have 0, and let's see if when we make money, it's going to add up there as well. Let's go make some money. Oh no, this is too long. Can we see our inventory? Yeah, so because we haven't fixed things, we can't even open our inventory. We need to link this to our inventory. Anyways, let's see. We need 17 more. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 17 more. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? Uh, one more. Okay, I didn't click one. Okay, so let's make some money and see if it's gonna show up there. Go. Yeah, I made the run super fast. Yeah, so now we have $15. So it is working fine. Hi. It depends on what your game is. If it's something that I can do, sure, and if I have time for it. Let me know about it. You can add me on Discord. My username is the very same as Roblox, which is the very same as YouTube. And yeah, I can't make any promises. I will have to check it first to know. Okay. So yeah, because I'm not a pro Lua scripter, but I definitely find my way about, let's say. All right. Okay, so now our money UI is fine. Let's However, I did want to change. I want to format it so that it has dot uh and the cents. I was thinking adding cents would make it really cool. Yeah. I have to think. I haven't decided yet, but I find that it looks nicer in cents because we're working with money and we want it to be a little bit similar to how much we would make in real life. We'll think about it later. For now, it doesn't have because nothing pays you in cents, so you'll never have cents. Okay, so let's check on our inventory UI, which isn't opening. Let's see which of them have to be readjusted. So inventory is not opening, events nor okay. So all the UIs uh need to be rescripted. Well, not rescripted, but we have to point them to the new icons because the old icons were in different locations. Okay, so let's go to our menu buttons. Okay, simply here, we did not even name them a menu button. So let's start with our left bar. Okay, so these, are they still labeled as menu buttons? I think I had copy pasted and just edited. So let's see. Yep, so it is menu button. It is tagged. Okay, so there's all our tagged menu buttons. So our frames now are different. Okay, so inventory frame, it was found, the inventory frame. Okay, so the inventory frame is here. So if we click on inventory button, we should have had inventory frame. I think I know. I think I know. I did not know that all screen GUIs work independently. Now I know. Well, I just learned something, guys. You see, I told you I'm not a super pro. So because the script for this is in another screen GUI, this script is not affected by it. I am surprised. I never knew that. So let me see if we move the script to here, what happens. And the button, the the how do you call this? The panels for these are in a different GUI, a different screen GUI. So let's see now if we put them all in the very same one. So that means there was no point opening a new, creating a new screen GUI. So let's see. Yeah, so they are fully independent one from the other. I just learned this right now. Okay, so yeah, so careful with having multiple screen GUIs. I just learned this. Especially if you want one code to work everywhere. Yeah, that is definitely not so good. Yeah, even my script for the inventory is not a valid member. So we will actually put all of this back to save ourselves heartache headache. We're gonna put all of this into screen GUI, and now we have to reposition them. Okay, so now everything is back into screen GUI, not in main GUI. So now we have our inventory, and let's make sure that our inventory is working fine. Yeah, so using multiple GUIs is definitely not a good idea, because they're fully separated one from the other. So if you have a script in one GUI, it doesn't care as if the other screen GUIs do not exist. I just found that out. Okay. So we don't need the main GUI. We don't want the stuff like that happening. So we're just gonna be using our screen GUI for all of these things. Okay, so we want to set up next our health. Um, okay, so our inventory is fine. Events. Oh, we hadn't tested these if they were back to, yeah, so they're good now. Of course, we have to work on the UI. So this is the next thing I'll be working on off stream is the, because it takes me long to do the UI. As I said, it has to be perfect in my opinion. I mean, everyone has different eye aesthetics, okay? In my opinion, it has to be perfect. So even this inventory, I do not like the look. I do not fully like the look. I find it a little plain. But for now, we'll work with it. At least it's possible. These will have to change completely. And the computer icon. So now, looking at the time, I think that will be it for now. So we've fixed our money so that people can see how much money they've made, and you can still see. Um, wait, how do I have 1550? Oh, that's because it should not show 1550 at all. We have a problem. Stats manager. Okay. Oh, that's right. Because we put this back, we have to put it back here. So we put it back to screen GUI, and then top bar. I think everything else is the same. Yep, so we're good. So now we've reassigned it to this one. We have no money. We start off with no money. Okay. I'm just figuring out what we'll be working on next. for the people who are interested. So the next part we'll be working on when I come back will be, we have to decide um hold on a second, I just got a message I need to answer. Oh, it's an audio message, so I'm gonna end the stream and I will listen to it after I end the stream. Okay, so yeah, so what we're gonna be working on next stream is we're gonna do some scripting, of course. I really want to finish the second job. The second job is the shopping job, but we're gonna fully complete the orchard. Oh yeah, this is what we're gonna be working on. Next stream we'll be working on the badges and the orchard, getting a recommendation letter from the manager. So we have to script um how many we have to script recording the number of every time you're collecting oranges and you're collecting apples, we need to increase that number and we need to save it, because once you've hit like 5,000 of each, you can get a recommendation letter from the manager. And when we have other jobs, they might need you might need a recommendation from your previous jobs to get them. So like this isn't no entry level, like you don't need any requirements to do this job, but some of the other jobs we'll be adding later on, they will have requirements, and you need to have like a good record from your past jobs. So what we'll be doing is recording this job and how well you did, and the stats on everything, all the stats on this. And obviously once you've hit that recommendation, you will be getting a badge. And we also need to add the badge for achievement badge for alpha. So as I said, the new players have the alpha title. The players who are testing, sorry, because this is fully testing right now, will get the alpha badge, but we also have to give it in the we have to prepare the badge. So this is what we'll be working on next time. I'm gonna write this down right now because I will forget and end up working on a different aspect of the game. So let me just write it before I end the stream. Otherwise, I'm gonna forget the moment the stream ends. I need to get a pen. Okay, so there we go. So badges is going to be our next subject. I already have the script because I have done it in previous games for the badges. However, I will still show it to you guys so you can, and if you want it, I can just copy paste it for you, so we can so you can learn that for the next time. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you guys later. Have a great day. I have to go to work. Otherwise, I would love to stay forever scripting and making the game. But bye.